Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use contactless card on London Underground. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to know is having to use contactless card on London Underground is quite convenient and easy. In order to know how to use it, first there are a couple of things you need to make sure of it. Now check to see if your contactless card have these 4 wavy signs. Now if you don't have it, or if you are unsure, you can always contact your respective bank and then check to see if your contactless card option is enabled or not. Now once you are done with that process, what you need to do is, once you are traveling, find a yellow marker, and then once you find the yellow marker, and then use your contactless card and then simply tap on the scanner. You will see something scanner like this. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and now once you are done with your ride, all you gotta do is go back to that scanner and then tap on it. Remember, this is the most important thing that you need to remember, that you have to touch in while go and touch again while you go out as well, so that you are not charged excessively and you are charged for your trip only. And that's basically how to use contactless card. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.